this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card with the Artfully Composed Suite. Here's the second card that I created with the Artfully Composed Suite. I'm just going to quickly show you the products, but if you want to see them in more detail, check out the video on my first card. But here is the bundle. And then we have the faux sea glass, super pretty, my favorite part of this. And then the frayed white ribbon, which you can color with the blends. And the vellum and paper. So you've got the vellum and the paper is beautiful. Take a close look at the detail where she painted, cut out, and arranged, then photographed all of these pieces. All right, I'm going to start by stamping one of the leaves in Calypso Coral. I used Evening Evergreen, Mint Macaron, and Calypso Coral, and then I colored it with the blends to create that really vibrant looking leaf. So just go ahead and color that with the blends, and then you will get and cut it out something that looks like that. So I'm going to bring in the other pieces here. So I've colored the Mint Macaron and the Evening Evergreen. I've stamped Sending All the Hugs in Evening Evergreen. And then I've cut out two more pieces out of Mint Macaron and Evening Evergreen. So this card goes together quickly once you have everything cut and colored. Just gonna make sure that that is right side up. This is the pale papaya side. I love it, it's so pretty. And then since this is gonna be hidden under all the flowers, I'm just gonna do the easy way and just put down a piece of adhesive to adhere that onto. And then we will do the first one flat, and then the Mint Macaron, we will do that flat as well. And then this one's gonna be hidden under here. So I can just put some adhesive right there. And then these two, we will put dimensionals on them. So we'll do a couple dimensionals on this one, and then just one on the side of this one. And then I'll use adhesive so that I'm not making the card too thick. So just tilt that like that, and then this can go over there. And then, of course, the faux sea glass. So let's pull that over. And where did I put? It's right in front of me, the Take Your Pick tool. So I'm just gonna grab this one right here, and I can place that over here. And let's do this one up here, and let's do this little one right there. So there you have the second Artfully Composed card. I'm offering a free card kit when you purchase this bundle, or if you place a $40 order using my current host code, you will get supplies to make these 3 cards. Just go to my website, click on Shop Now, and place your order using the current host code, and then email me and let me know that you would like the Artfully Composed card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you so much for watching my video on the Artfully Composed Suite. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you liked it, please leave a comment and give it a like. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. And if you're interested in the products, they're all listed in the description below. Thanks so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.